Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. 10x square negative k times x times y positive 15 y square equals to 0. In the equation above, the ratio between x and y is 5 to 2. Then what is the value of k? Okay, in the equation above, we have the ratio between x and y, that is 5 to 2. We can write it. That is x to y equals to 5 to 2. Okay, from the given ratio, if I want to get the quantities which are equal to x and y, what I need to do is I have to multiply both the terms of the ratio by the same non-zero number. By what non-zero number should I multiply the terms of the ratio to get the quantities which are equal to x and y? I do not know the non-zero number by which I have to multiply the terms of the ratio. So let me assume that non-zero number as a. So then the quantity which is equal to x is 5 multiplied by that non-zero number a, that is 5a. And to get the quantity which is equal to y, we have to multiply the second term of the ratio 2 by the non-zero number a. So that is 2a. Now I got the stuff which are equal to x and y. Now in the given equation, I can plug in this 5a for x and 2a for y. Okay, now let me take the given equation as it is. That is 10 x square negative k times x times y positive 15 y square equals to 0. Okay, 10 times. So for this x, I can plug in this 5a, then I'm getting 5a the whole square. Negative k times for x, I can plug in now 5a, and for y, I can plug in 2a, positive 15 times for y, I can plug in 2a the whole square equals to 0. Okay, 10, when I apply this square for this y, it will become 25. When I apply this square for this a, it will become 25a square. So I'm getting 10 times 25a square negative. When I multiply this 5a and 2a, I'm getting 10a square because 5 times 2 is 10, a times a is a square. So I'm getting 10 a square, and already we have k over here. We can write this k as it is, positive 15. So when I take square for this 2a, it will become 4a square because when I take the square for this 2, it will become 4. When I take square for this a, it will become a square. That is 15 times 4a square equals to 0. Okay, now when I multiply this 10 and 25, I'm getting 250 a square. Negative 10a square times k positive 15 times 4 is 60 a square equals to 0. Okay, when I look at the expression over here, what is the greatest common divisor for all the terms in this expression? So clearly it's 10 a square. So better we can divide the whole equation by 10 a square to simplify the equation. So let me divide the first term by 10a square. Let me divide the second term by 10a square. The third term by 10a square. On the right side 0 by 10a square. That is, I divided both sides of the equation by 10a square. So the a square will cancel out. 10 goes into 10 one times. 10 goes into 25. 250 25 times. This 10a square will cancel out. And here a square will cancel out. 10 goes into 10 one times. 10 goes into 60 6 times. So now I'm getting 25 negative k positive 6 equals to, when I divide 0 by anything, it's 0. Okay, now let's simplify the expression we have over here. So when I combine this 25 and positive 6, I'm getting 31 negative k equals to 0. Okay, now to solve for k, I have to get rid of this 31. For that, I subtract 31 from both sides. When I do so, this positive 31, negative 31 will cancel out. I'm getting negative k equals to negative 31. Okay, since my aim is to get the value of k, I have to get rid of this negative sign that we have in front of this k. So to get rid of this negative sign, I just multiply both sides of this equation by negative 1. So let me do it. So when I multiply this negative and negative, it will become positive. 1 times k is k. Negative times sign will become positive. 1 times 31 is 31. So now I got the value of k. So the value of k is 31.